Hi guys, I was looking out for a best affordable lens for my micro four thirds camera, and most of the lenses, when you go to see, they are almost about the price of the camera, or even costlier than that sometimes. Minimum, so even Sigma lenses start from 25 to 45. They range from that. So I was looking out for a affordable price range lens for my micro four thirds, and this lens comes for micro four thirds as well as for Sony E mount. That is for Lumix, Panasonic, Olympus micro four thirds, and E mount for Sony cameras, and it even comes for Canon. So in today's video, what we are going to see is I'm going to unbox a Micro Four Thirds a lens for you, which I've got in a very affordable price. And we will also test it out by changing it in my camera. And it's a manual focus lens. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing first. Okay, guys, if you see, this is the webcam. I mean, this is the camera lens which I was talking about. It is called as 7 Artisans. This is a 25 mm with an aperture of 1.8, and it's for APS-C 25 mm 1.8, and for micro four thirds. The diameter is 46, and it has everything over here, the aperture, the zoom, everything with the numbers and everything. And if you see, let's open this. It's come in a beautiful white color case over here. So let's first remove this. So now you can see it's in a beautiful case over here, and you can see this clearly. It's M43 mount. That's micro four thirds. I've got this for my Lumia, sorry, Panasonic Lumix. It's also compatible with the normal Olympus cameras and any Panasonic which has the micro four thirds in it. It is compatible to that, and that's it. This is the lens over here, and there is a soft pad over here in top as well as in bottom, and it looks kind of good. So they are, and it's not made up of cheap plastic. Also, it's kind of heavy. I will tell you the price also for which I got this. So if you see over here, it is there in the aperture of 16 at the moment over here. So I will just turn it down the notch to an aperture of 1.8 with the infinity zoom, and over here. So now you can see this is the lens over here. You can see here 7 artisans, and behind you have a M43 mount also, which will be able to mount in a M43 camera. So first I will go back to my normal camera. So now you are able to see me in my normal camera over here, as you can see me clearly. So this is the quality at the moment I'm getting with the kit lens of 14 to 42 meters, 14 to 42 meters, millimeters on my Lumix. This is a default lens. And this lens, which I was telling you, this is a manual lens, which I'll be fitting it now. And then we will see how the quality is. And here you have aperture of 3.5 in the kit lens, and this has a 1.8. Let's go ahead and change the lens live on the video, and we'll see, we'll start shooting from the video from the time like I change the lens. So give me a minute while I just go ahead and do that for you. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and changed the lens to 7 Artisans lens, which I told you. I've just gone ahead and changed that lens. And if you see behind me over here, you before there was no bokeh in the normal Panasonic the lens because it had a 3.5 aperture or something. This has just a 1.8, not even 1.4 aperture, but you can see the behind. It's like you are getting a good bokeh effect, and you have a proper focus also. It has a manual focus which I just adjusted to my face, and it's coming clearly. I'm apart from my subject. I'm the subject, and I'm coming apart from the background very clearly. And this has an aperture of 1.8 to 16 millimeters. So that's a great thing which it has in it. So you can go ahead and adjust. Before I had this kit lens of Lumix, Panasonic Lumix, that was 14 to 42. I had in it 14 to 42 millimeter, but the problem was like you have seen all my videos. I shot it with this only. There have been a lot of issues like the clarity not being clear on my face, or the bokeh effect is not there, or the lighting is too bright on my face. Those are all the issues which comes along with the kit lens because it was done automatically. Even in manual mode, you are not able to adjust in that because of the 3.5 aperture, because the light was going in that way. I mean, light was very less in it. In this, there's a 1.8 wide aperture by which you are able to see the clear face over here. And the price, I didn't tell you the price till now. The price for this is just 7,690 on Amazon.in. You can just put as 7 artisans MFT, that's my micro four third lens, and you'll be able to find this. You get it for micro four thirds, you get it for Sony E mount lenses, for Sony E-mount cameras, and you and Micro Four Thirds is for mostly like Lumix, Olympus, for that all cameras, and you also get for Canon and everything, and you're getting in the price of 7,000. Where else, if you go for any of the normal lenses, also a normal Sigma lens costs you 25,000, and the camera you would have not bought for that much, because when I bought my camera, it was in an offer I got within 50 grand. So if I go for a lens for 25 grand, that would be a lot of money. Plus, if you are going for a better lens, it will go like, if you go for a mica lens or Zuica lens, it goes from a lakh onwards. So getting a lens for 7,650 is the best thing. And if you convert that to dollars, it's not even $60 you're getting the lens for. So it's this lens is brought to you by Seven Artisans. So you can check that out. They are not sponsoring me, but I'm just going ahead and showing this lens to you so that you can also go ahead and check this out. And if you did like this video, and you want to go ahead and see more videos like this, please give a like and subscribe for the channel. And until next time, this is Kamal, and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.